So here's a test, and this is a test for stereo sound on YouTube. So basically, I saw this video today, and it was saying that we could have stereo sound. So watch this. I will speak on the left side. Now, see, I'm speaking on the left side. And now I will speak on the right side. Hello, I am speaking on the right side. And your headphones, it's each better to listen to this with headphones because it's a lot cooler. And stereo is way awesomer. So YouTube, and how do you like my hot baby and my YouTube? See you later. Bye.